So, andito tayo ngayon sa Verdana Mamplasan in Barangay Loma, Binyan City, Laguna to check a new foreclosed vacant lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, that's the property. Ayan, yung nasa gitna. And andito tayo ngayon sa clubhouse. Ayan yung clubhouse. So, walking distance lang siya. Ayun, swimming pool, andyan ang function area, gym, basketball court, parks and playground, and many more. And then nandito yung parking space. And then ayan yung property. So i-check natin. Pero wala namang kailangang i-check kasi nga vacant lot lang naman yan. 255 square meters. Total lot area niya. So, ayun yung rotonda doon. May gate na isa doon. And then, yan, main road. May gate din po doon. So, ayan siya. This is for bidding around 9.3 million or around 37,000 per square meters. If interesado kayo magbid dyan and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Lapit tayo ng konti. Yan. So meron na siyang kapitbahay sa likod tsaka sa both sides. So ayan na siya. Yan. Again, as is where is po tayo dyan. Check natin yung orientation niya kung facing ano siya. Ano, tingnan niyo, tapat niya lang yung clubhouse. Oh. Ayun yung clubhouse. Oh. Ang elevation natin dito, 40 meters above sea level. Yung ano natin, elevation, orientation. Yan. So this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you are interested to make an offer or bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Ito yung clubhouse ng Verdana Mamplasan dito sa Binyan City, Laguna. This is a mid-high end subdivision under Alveo or Ayala Land. Napin natin yun. Daan muna tayo sa clubhouse. Yung function area nila. Ang ganda oh. Ganda yung swimming pool. Pool area. And then meron din swimming pool dito. Kiddie pool. May pailog dito si Verdana. Ilog ba yan or creek? Then may walking path or jogging path.